Google has released its March 2026 Pixel update, and while updates are usually meant to improve your phone, this one is causing serious frustration for many users. In fact, this might be one of those updates you should avoid for now. Reports are coming in from users of the Google Pixel 10 and Google Pixel 10 Pro, and the issue they are facing is not minor. After installing the latest update along with the Pixel Drop, some devices are freezing completely on the always-on display. That means your phone can get stuck even before you fully unlock it. This isn't just limited to one or two users. Multiple people have shared their experiences online, especially on platforms like Reddit, saying their phones suddenly stop responding. In some cases, the problem also appears on the lock screen, making it even more frustrating. Imagine picking up your phone to check a notification, only to find that it's completely frozen. What makes this situation worse is that the issue doesn't seem to have an easy fix. Once the phone freezes, users are forced to do a hard reboot just to get it working again. That's not something anyone wants to deal with on a daily basis. Even more concerning is that this problem might not be limited to just the latest devices. Some reports suggest that older models like the Google Pixel 9a and Google Pixel 8 Pro could also be affected. So this bug could be impacting a wider range of Pixel users than initially expected. One user even tried factory resetting their device, hoping it would solve the issue. But surprisingly, that didn't help either. This shows that the bug is likely tied directly to the software update itself, not something caused by user settings or apps. The issue first started appearing around 2 weeks after the update was released, and new reports are still coming in. This means the problem is ongoing, and many users are still dealing with it right now. The good news is that Google is aware of the situation. The company has responded through its official community channels and has contacted some affected users. However, there is still no clear timeline for when a fix will arrive. That uncertainty makes things even more frustrating for people who rely on their phones every day. This isn't the first time something like this has happened. Google has had similar issues in the past with Android updates. In many cases, bugs are fixed quickly with follow-up updates, but the bigger concern is how often these problems keep appearing. For comparison, even companies like Apple have faced criticism for buggy updates, but they usually fix major issues quickly, like the typing problems that were later addressed in iOS 26. The difference here is that Google seems to be releasing smaller updates that still carry significant bugs, which raises questions about quality control. If you haven't updated your Pixel device yet, it might be a good idea to wait. The February 2026 update is still working fine for most users, and sticking with it could save you from dealing with these freezing issues. At the end of the day, software updates are supposed to make your phone better, not worse. When something as basic as unlocking your device becomes unreliable, it affects the entire user experience. Hopefully, Google will act quickly and release a patch to fix this problem. Until then, it's better to stay cautious and avoid installing the March update if you can. Because right now, this is one of those rare updates where skipping it might actually be the smarter choice.